this is Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I'm happy to see you. And if you're brand new and you just found me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You'll be notified when I post new videos or go live. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me out a lot, and I'd sure appreciate it. So today I got some more Happy Mail. This is a Happy Mail week. Last week when I came back from the retreat, I got a lot of bills and I had to finish taxes. But apparently this is Happy Mail week because I got my pastry shop quilt box the other day. I'm going to get my Sew Yeah box later in the week, which I'll post a video for. So watch out for that. And then today I got my sew sampler. So I cannot wait to open this up. This is a fun box. The total of this box comes right in around with the cost and the shipping right around $32. So it's a great value for this box. They haven't raised their price on it in a real long time, so that's pretty cool. And I wanted to take a guess and see what the fabric is. Like, based on the preview that they showed us, if you don't want to hear this, plug your ears. I'm going to guess it's See and Me by Stacy Itsu, but I can't wait to get this open and see if I'm right. So let's get it open, and I haven't cut the tape yet, as you can see, so I'm going to cut that now. And then I'm going to show you guys what's in it. Cutting it open. Woohoo! Okay. So, there we go. Didn't want to open. Oh, this is right up my alley. For anybody who knows me, I love blues. I love the ocean. I love water. So that's what the inside looks like. And let's take a peek inside. So here's the inside of the box. I'm going to open this up, and there's always a promo code. I'm not going to show you on the back of these. There's a promo code for things for sale. So there's 30% off a cutting mat, and if you spend $40 or more, that you can get a free seam roller, which is really cool. So that's for subscribers only. So I'm not going to show you the coupon because there's codes there just for subscribers. Ah, look. Right on top, I see it. I was right. The See and Me. Woohoo! I love, love, love this fabric. I've got some kits with this fabric in my shop, and I had pre-cuts, but I believe I've sold them all out because this fabric is just gorgeous. So I'm super excited to have this. So let me see. This is what the little preview sort of looked like. This. It was on the beginning of my video. Had this little seaweed stuff, so that gave me the clue that this was See and Me. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so we've got our Bright Side Quilt Along pattern, the pattern that goes with this box, which is going to be called Wipeout. Looks like a snail trail, which is really cool. A junior layer cake of the See and Me, foundation papers, a self-cleaning silicone brush for your cutting mat, and a Riley Blake Beauty Trio. So let's take a look. So here's the fabric. I'm going to unwrap it in a second for you. So this is the cleaning brush they're talking about, the silicone mat. You can use that to clean your cutting mats, which is really nice because it is kind of hard sometimes to get those clean. I'll a lot of times use a magic eraser or just some wipes depending on what's stuck in it and how dirty it is. But let's see. I'm going to open this up. This seems like a cool little tool. Fun little extra. Not something I would probably just buy, but since I was given it. Oh yeah. It really like grips onto your mat. That's pretty cool. Nifty. Oh, I can see some thread already right there that it caught off the mat. So that's good. Awesome. That's a neat little tool. Now, I have these things. I sell Riley Blake, so I have them in my shop, but not unhappy to get more because I love them. So Riley Blake's got some lip balm, and you either get coconut, sweet mint, or I believe this is peach. Then there's a hand sanitizer, and I love these hand sanitizers by Riley Blake. I have them in all my purses. What I like about them is that they're so thin in this world of needing hand sanitizer right now that you can stick it in your pants pocket if you're not like a purse carrier, and it doesn't take up any space. So I really, really love those. And then I got the Coconut Dreams hand cream. So Fat Quarter Shop must have read my mind because coconut is one of my favorite smells and I love to eat coconut. So perfect. Yay. I'm very excited about those. Never can have enough hand cream or lip balm. So it looks like we have Snail Trail Quilt Block Foundation Paper used for foundation paper piecing. Fantastic for 10-inch square pre-cuts and scraps. This is exciting. This is a new product from them. They have foundation papers for flying geese, for square to square, different shapes, but I've never seen their snail trail one. So I think this is a new one. Makes 6-inch blocks, it says. And that's exciting because it goes right along with, because I could see the pattern for this month. So this is called Wipeout, and the finished size, oh, it's a small one, is 30 by 30, 30 and a half by 30 and a half. So a little like baby quilt. This would be cute to sew up for if there's a little baby joining your family, which we're not going to have any for quite a long time, but I do love this. And as much as I love the ocean, I might just sew it up for me and we'll hang it on my wall. That'd be a cute summertime decoration for my wall. So you also need to finish this 1 yard of background, 5/8 yard of border, and some binding. The background and border prints that they're showing that you need are the cream from the line and then this little ocean-y themed print from the line, and I have both of those, so very excited about that. I'll be able to finish this quilt with everything that you need without having to buy anything extra. But even if you have to buy something extra, that's not a whole lot to buy, so that's really nice. So this is block number 12 if you're doing the Bright Side Sew Along. These came in the Sew Sampler boxes for the last year. This is the last one, so they've also given us the finishing instructions for the Bright Side Sew Along. Now, I don't know because I haven't been on their website, but in years past, anytime they've had a sew along like this in the Sew Sampler, you could actually go on their website and purchase these cards, even if you don't have the Sew Sampler. So this is by Sherry and Chelsea of a quilting, or I'm sorry, Sherry McConnell of A Quilting Life. She designed these, and her designs are always really great and very, I feel like they're very easy to follow. User-friendly, for lack of a better term. So if you're interested, you can go check that out at Fat Quarter Shop's website. So we got the blocks, or the Bright Side finishing, and the last block. We got the pattern, which is adorable. I love it. We got the Snail Trail foundation papers to help make the pattern, which is great. You can do a snail trail without the papers, but this definitely makes it a little bit easier. The silicone matte brush, which is really neat. These fun little Riley Blake beauty accessories. I love them. Like I said, this is my favorite hand sanitizer. I have it in every purse, every bag, and I love that if I'm running into the store and I just want to take in my wallet and some hand sanitizer, it sticks in my pocket. Love it. And then the fabric. So let's get this open. Should have brought some scissors out and make it easier to cut it open. I love the CME. It's so pretty. And I'm even going to unwrap it for you guys because I'm going to use it, so I don't mind unwrapping it. Okay, so, oh, isn't that cute? The mermaids, the green mermaids, the pink mermaids. Oh, so sweet. Then we have just like the coral, underwater plants in white and aqua and light pink. And then we have the sea critters, which is like one of my favorite prints, in green and in pink, or coral. I think that's pink. Yeah, the next one's coral. Coral. Oh, I just love sea creatures. Dolphins and seahorses and whales. Oh, love it. Sea turtles, jellyfish. This one's really cute. Little toss with some seaweed and seahorses, which are my absolute favorite sea animal. Crab or lobsters. Really cute. Fish, aqua, light pink. Oh, sea stars, as my kids call them. Starfish. Coral starfish. Gorgeous. Oh, look how pretty. Just love it. Love it, love it. Green, pink. And then there's just some clamshells, which is really cute. It's a nice blender. And the tone-on-tone for this line is with these clamshells. It's the white clamshells on white, or cream. Then there's a light pink and a coral. Gorgeous fabric. I'm so excited for this month. Now, last month I didn't show you, I didn't open, this is the March box. They are still a little bit delayed, just like everybody. There's fabric delays, supply delays, still all across the industry. I didn't open last month's because it didn't come until I was gone at retreat, and by the time I had come back, there was like a lot of people who had already posted the video, so I figured you guys weren't really, you could have seen it somewhere else already, and you weren't really maybe that interested. Plus, when my friend Yvette was here, I opened it in front of her, and she went gaga for the fabric. And it's not that I didn't like it, but it wasn't like I went gaga for it like I am for this. So I handed it off to her right away and let her take it home, because I thought if she's that excited about it, she's going to put better use than I would. So I went ahead and gave it to her, so I really didn't have anything to show you guys. But if you are interested in seeing what the fabric was for last month, it was beautiful plaids, and I'm sure you can find another video on that. But this is the March Sew Sampler, and so far, this is probably my favorite box this year. Of course, I love the beautiful day one because I love Cory Yoder fabrics. Excuse me. But the ocean is just, this speaks to my soul. So love it. Perfect. Great box. Definitely worth the value. Definitely worth what I paid for it. Okay, so I hope you liked that unboxing. This was a great month. I'm so excited about this fabric. I can't wait to make this little quilt. It's a little smaller than normally I would make of a quilt, but it's so cute, and I think I could just stick it right on my wall for the summer. It's gonna be perfect. So if you're interested in getting this box, I will put in the description box down below a link to their website and to the Sew Sampler subscription. It's a very inexpensive box, I feel, for what you get. The value is always there, and it's fun getting a nice little surprise every month. So go ahead and take a peek, and like I said, come back later in the week, because I see that my So Yeah subscription box is on its way. So I can't wait for that, because that's been so great. Every month has been amazing so far, so I can't wait to see that. So thanks so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now, and I'll see you later in the week. Take care. Bye.